working with general contractor or a home builder. To all clients, customer, whoever is hiring a general contractor and home builder, there are very few points I want to cover today. How to work effectively with a business as a homeowner. I'm going to cover 5 points, and these are very important, and just please evaluate them and think about them from the general contractor's perspective. I assume you already selected your general contractor, your home builder, you did your research, you did your due diligence. We got videos on that as well, and we have a bunch of blogs. You can go to our website, www.mlm-inc.com. You can read about it, how to screen and select general contractor. You did all your work, you hired general contractor. 5 points, what to consider to do or not to do. Number 1, it's over communicating not important information. What I mean by that is there is a lot of tasks happening on a daily basis in construction, from scheduling, delays on materials and the trade partners, making stuff happen, adjusting to the on-site conditions. There is a host of different items that we deal with on a day-to-day operations, people not showing up and so forth. Over communicating by the client on non-essential items is just another layer of problems for a home builder and general contractor. Try to schedule weekly meetings and cover your agenda points during the weekly meetings. If it's something that is an emergency, obviously needs to be communicated immediately. But other than that, let the construction take its place. If you have a concern that something is not being done the right way, let it be done 90%. Cover your concerns during the weekly meetings. By doing that, you are not overbearing the contractor with emails or other means of communication. Therefore, the important communication doesn't get missed, because what's going to happen in a lot of times, the home builder will just not get to every message you're sending. Number 2 is making changes and being indecisive. We would like to have, in an ideal world, all the selections made at the pre-construction phase, create a spec book. That spec book is on the job site and in the software, project management software that builders should use. Every subcontractor and the trade partner has a view to it, and we just build it. Now, it does not happen like that. Some items, they are on a back order, some got discontinued. We understand that. But please try not to make changes as we go. It creates a problem with scheduling. It creates a problem with the momentum on the job, and usually costs more in the form of remobilization. Let's say we got a plumber on the job site. He's installing all the roughing parts. He's doing the PVC pipes. He's installing the water supply lines. And we are ready to install the roughing valves for your tubs and showers, and you make a change. We gotta stop. The rest of the schedule, it gets impacted. New parts gotta be ordered, they gotta be delivered, the job site just sits there, and we have to remobilize the project. It's a bad practice. Number 3 is not being ready with selections at all, which is the worst case scenario. You should never start a construction project without all your selections up front. And I don't mean by a doorknob or a doorstop, I'm talking about the big ticket items, tubs, faucets, all the fixtures, cabinets, cabinet layouts, appliances, all the big ticket items, they have to be selected. So we as a home builder or a general contractor know exactly what's going in. We got a specs for those items. We can distribute those specs to the trade partners, and we can actually build a schedule and create the momentum of the project. Number 4, and we get this question asked frequently, how many trades can I perform myself as a homeowner? The answer in the perfect world is none, because we need to be able to control our trade partners and subcontractors, in a meaning of once we implement the schedule, we have a rapport, a relationship with the subcontractors. They know our ways of doing business, and we schedule them as we go. If we work with somebody that we never worked with before, and that's the person that you are in charge of, we have zero control. Therefore, the schedule may get impacted and the momentum of the job may get impacted. Not to mention the quality may not be there. So this is a very important element. Sometimes the homeowners ask, can I do some stuff myself? And there are ways of incorporating some of those tasks like paint. We can be done and you can paint once we're done. That's the easiest part of doing it. But if it's something that falls in the middle of the schedule, I highly discourage you from doing so. And number 5 is the most important, and I covered that in a lot of videos and a lot of blogs, is using the cheapest contractor. When you are evaluating a contractor for your build, don't just get influenced by the numbers. I know everybody likes to save money. Nobody wants to spend more than they have to. The problem is you get what you pay for. And I'm just gonna close it at that. Do your due diligence, do your research, check them out. If you have any questions, comment below. Good luck with your build.